Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word expressive. Let's practice with me. Expressive. She is expressive. He looks expressive. The painting is expressive. Her voice is expressive. I feel expressive today. This speech is very expressive. He gave an expressive smile. The actor was expressive on stage. She uses expressive gestures. Expressive writing helps communication. His expressive eyes tell stories. The music is expressive and lively. An expressive face shows feelings. She gave an expressive presentation. Expressive skills improve teamwork. He wrote an expressive email. Expressive language is important. The artist's work is very expressive. She showed expressive body language. Expressive communication builds trust. His expressive tone caught attention. Expressive feedback helps improve work. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.